Namaste, this is Santa Auntie. In class you learned a new vocabulary for window, curtain, and lights in Hindi. In this video we're going to review them. Let's review the vocabulary. Window is khidki, curtain is parda, and lights are batti. Let's do them again. Window is khidki, curtain is parda, and lights are batti. One more time. Window is khidki, curtain is parda, and lights are batti. Now let's do some practice problems. Look at all these windows. What's window in Hindi? Khidki, parda, or batti? Khidki. What's light in Hindi? Khidki, parda, or batti? Light is batti. This girl is standing behind what? A curtain, right? And what's curtain in Hindi? Khidki, parda, or batti? Parda. Look at all these windows. How do we say window in Hindi? Khidki, parda, or batti? Khidki. Look at these nice Christmas lights. What's light in Hindi? Khidki, parda, or batti? Batti. What's the arrow pointing to? Khidki, parda, or batti? Khidki. The dressing room closes with a curtain. How do we say curtain in Hindi? Khidki, parda, or batti? Curtain is parda. Look at all the lights in this room. What's light in Hindi? Khidki, parda, or batti? Batti. Look at all these windows. How do we say window in Hindi? Khidki, parda, or batti? Khidki. Look at all these curtains. How do we say curtain in Hindi? Khidki, parda, or batti? Parda. Look at the nice lights on in this room. What's light in Hindi? Khidki, parda, or batti? Batti. And what are curtains in Hindi again? Parda. So you see now, there are no words for you to reference at the top. I'm checking to see if you remember these three words. What's light in Hindi? Batti. What's window in Hindi? Khidki. These are red curtains, right? And what's curtain in Hindi? Parda. Look at all these windows. What's window in Hindi? Khidki. These are Christmas lights. What are lights in Hindi? Batti. How do we say curtain again? Parda. Look at the beautiful Diwali lights. What are lights in Hindi? Batti. What was window? Khidki. Let's review these words one more time. Window is khidki. Curtains are parda. And lights are batti. Great work! Now you know more Hindi. Dhanyavad for joining me. I'll see you in class.